Shubor na Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajingwan jong ki Myntri na ka Sorkar Pdeng sa kijilla na kapor sa kapor, banpet baniya ay kajing pentray ki Projek bapher kajulong manubanay. Hakani kakanti bamenta ubeswes war tudu Myntri badi pet ya kajal shakti bat ka tribal affairs ulawan siya ng baksyalong banwan jurab iki Projek bapher batban ya kandu ru iki officer jong kita na Sorkar batban pan ya ka kaipod Halor kajing pentray kam yaki. Sho ubeswes war tudu ulay atho bahaka review meeting kila piniitang taka presentation Khlem ki kot kisla nakaliang utudu ula ay jing mot yaki ban Pynbiang shway ki kot kisla namar kalong kabadon kam ula ban rabdak baong ba Khlem ki kot kisla kumno unla ban penya shakman.
Actually, this is a mandatory for the central minister once in a month. So accordingly, after assuming the charges, this is my first tour to Meghalaya, being the Minister of Commerce and Tribal Affairs. Today is my first day. Tomorrow I will visit some projects which are completed and ongoing projects. Then I will be back. Now it is meeting. Once we have started, but it was seen that only the presentation they have shown me. Papers were not get ready. So I suggested them to get the papers and we will have the review meeting.
You are not happy with the presentation?
No, because without any papers, how will review? Not only the presentation, because I have to give the report to the concerned department, home department. So this is very much essential, the hard work.
Don't you think like this is unsatisfactory?
It should not be, because if we will see in national level, the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission is, I think, below 50%. But our target is to achieve 2024 March. So we are suggesting all the states to complete before March 2024. So I think if the state government will take interest, automatically the work will be progress.
So there were several allegations when it comes to JJM project in Meghalaya. The government will be able to complete it with so many allegations of corruption, that position.
You see, still now I have not got such evidential or documental things. So after getting these things, if possible, I will go and visit that project so that whether the allegation is right or wrong. If it is right, then action will be taken, and how the implementation will be done and the work will be go straight.
Given to Assam, and people in the border areas are protesting in large number.
I have not reviewed, but I will review it. I will review it. I came to know from the media persons like you, not anybody or any party leader. So I will review it also.